guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video, we will mix bright yellow, semi-gloss latex mix for interior concrete wall. Bright yellow is the perfect color for living room if you want to create sunny space that always feels bright and inviting. Hallways and rooms without windows can benefit from strong, saturated shades of bright yellow. Before we start, we just want to say thank you. We are so speechless that finally, we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for your love and support, guys. God bless us all. Our client order 1 liter bright yellow, semi-gloss latex mix for interior wall. Let's start by pouring at least 50% ratio of gloss latex hansa yellow. Then let's add semi-gloss latex white. Drop of acrylic phthalo green. Okay, let's now stir the paint very well. The bright yellow. Let's add more gloss latex yellow, semi-gloss latex white, and small ratio of acrylic phthalo green until it becomes fully 1 liter. Now let's compare to a solid yellow color to see the difference. Yes, we got the right shade of bright yellow. Mixing accomplished. Please do always watch the full videos of our paint mixing tutorials to sure you put the exact tinting colors on the color you want to achieve. Until next paint mixing videos guys. Thank you so much for the love and support.